Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I'm Jack Lanchester and I'm going to be making a lovely meal today. I'll show you one I made earlier. Right, as you can see here, I've got a lovely, lovely tin of pre-cooked, pre-made food. You've got to give it a good whack.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh yeah. Oh, that noise. Shh.
Right, as you can see, it takes a bit of a while, but you've got to be persistent.
Pull it out. Shove it in your mouth.
Right.
You can eat this raw.
Yeah.
Joad's provided me here with a lovely knife. Right, so dip it in the seasoning.
Dip it
Yeah. Oh, lovely. And just throw it in your gob.
That looks really nice, Jack. Looks like you want some more.
I've never quite had such a delicious dish.
You could just eat it all.
All in one.
This one I'm gonna swallow. Mmm. You can just see the excitement on my face, can't you?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, lovely.
Swallowed. More?
Yeah. All in one.
Rub it on the face.
Oh.
Right.
No.
Well, that's enough for me today. I'm filled up. Thank you for watching Sideways Tape TV.
Need some encouragement?